In today's modern world, military drones have emerged as one of the most influential advancements in warfare. These unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, have revolutionized military operations, offering unprecedented capabilities and changing the face of combat. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of military drones. The origins of military drones can be traced back to the early days of aviation. In the early 20th century, visionary inventors and engineers began exploring the concept of unmanned aircraft. However, it wasn't until the 21st century that significant progress was made in the development and implementation of military drones. The implementation of military drones was initially driven by the need to reduce the risks faced by human pilots in dangerous missions. By removing the need for human presence, drones could be deployed into high-risk areas and perform a wide range of tasks, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeted strikes. In the realm of modern warfare, military drones have emerged as indispensable assets, reshaping the very fabric of combat operations. Their impact is felt across various fronts, where they have played pivotal roles in critical missions and delivered exceptional results. One such area is precision strikes. In a significant operation in 2011, a U.S. drone successfully eliminated Anwar al-Awlaki, a prominent leader of Al-Qaeda in Yemen, safeguarding the lives of troops on the ground. But drones' influence extends beyond the strike capabilities, as they excel in intelligence gathering. During the daring raid that led to the elimination of Osama bin Laden in 2011, a U.S. drone provided real-time surveillance, ensuring the safety of the Special Forces team involved. Furthermore, drones have showcased their prowess in humanitarian and search and rescue missions. In a remarkable incident that took place in 2013, an Australian military drone located and rescued two standard swimmers, demonstrating its ability to swiftly cover vast areas and provide critical situational awareness. Moreover, drones have ventured into humanitarian missions, such as UNICEF's initiative in Malawi in 2017, where they facilitated the swift transport of vital HIV tests for infants from remote areas, expediting healthcare services. These examples paint a vivid picture of drones' invaluable contributions, from countering terrorism to delivering aid in remote regions. Today, military drones are operated from sophisticated command centers located in secure military bases around the world. These facilities house highly skilled personnel who remotely control and monitor the drones during missions. The command centers are equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including advanced communication systems, powerful computers, and real-time video feeds from the drone's cameras. So, how do military drones benefit us? Let's explore some of their key advantages. Military drones provide unparalleled aerial surveillance capabilities, enabling forces to gather vital intelligence and monitor areas of interest. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and advanced imaging systems, drones can capture detailed imagery even in low-light conditions. This real-time information gives military strategists a tactical advantage, helping them make informed decisions quickly. One of the most significant benefits of military drones is their ability to conduct precise and targeted strikes. Equipped with guided missiles and other advanced weaponry, drones can engage enemy targets with unmatched accuracy. Their remote operation allows for careful analysis of the situation before initiating an attack, minimizing collateral damage and reducing the risk to friendly forces. Military drones offer cost-effective solutions compared to traditional manned aircraft. They require fewer resources to operate, as there is no need to support a human pilot physically. Drones can stay in the air for extended periods, providing continuous support and surveillance without the need for frequent refueling or pilot rest periods. By eliminating the need for human pilots in dangerous missions, military drones significantly reduce the risk to military personnel. They can be deployed in hostile environments, conduct intelligence gathering, and perform missions that would otherwise put human lives at stake. Drones also allow for experimentation and testing of new tactics without risking human lives. As we have seen, military drones have come a long way since their inception. With their origins rooted in early aviation, they have evolved into powerful tools that shape the way we conduct modern warfare. From aerial surveillance to precision strikes, their implementation has revolutionized military operations, making them an indispensable asset on the battlefield. Join us next time as we explore more cutting-edge technologies that are transforming our world. Do not forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching.